Hello everyone, so I'm going out very soon. I just want to treat my face as usual. This is especially for those people that have dry skin, or if your face is not glowing enough, just go on and try this and you see it for yourself. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So here is my beauty channel. On this channel I share beauty tips, just beauty tips and hair tips. Anything to make your skin to glow, anything to keep you looking younger, anything to keep your skin spotless and beautiful. Consider subscribing if you love beauty tips. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos you get notified and come and watch. As you can see, I'm all dressed up, just remaining to apply this, so you can apply this treatment in the evening, you can do it in the morning before you go out, whichever one. So the ingredient, like the title says, mist, coffee and Vaseline, and see how your skin will be. You thank me later. So the ingredients I made use of are just four natural ingredients to take care of your skin, to make your skin look beautiful with no makeup. So right now, I'll go right now to show you what I added in here that will get your skin so beautiful, that will plump your skin, that will make you look younger, that will get rid of dry skin and make your skin look like a baby. Like the title says, okay, I added coffee. Coffee contains powerful antioxidant that helps to prevent dry skin. It gets rid of dead skin cells by exfoliating it to make your skin look brighter and uniform. Like when your skin is well exfoliated, you see how clearer, more brighter it will look. I love coffee also because of the anti-aging benefits. It helps to delay signs of aging by firming the skin. It firms loose skin and make your skin look more youthful. Try to get coffee, you love it. So the next one I added is sugar. So I don't joke with sugar. Sugar is another ingredient that keeps your skin well hydrated and supple. If you want to have a vibrant, uniform skin, if you want to delay signs of aging, if you want to get rid of those dryness, if your skin is always dried, you'll be prone to early wrinkles. Like those wrinkles, fine lines will start developing because of severe dry skin. So if you notice your skin is very dry or about to get dry, please do the needful before it's too late. You have to keep your skin supple, hydrated, well moisturized to prevent all that. Thanks to the alpha hydroxyl acid it contains in sugar that helps to keep your skin hydrated, it glows the skin, it gets rid of dead skin cells by exfoliating your skin, to remove anything, dull skin, flaky skin, just get sugar, you love it. You can make use of white sugar, you can make use of brown sugar, whichever one. So another ingredient I made use of is oat powder. If you have been following me, you will notice that I've discussed about oat powder a lot, and that is because it works. Oat powder is not only for exfoliating, yes, it helps to exfoliate the skin, to remove dead skin cells and give you a clearer, beautiful skin that glows. But I'm using it in this treatment so that it can prevent your dry skin or take care of dry skin. It gets rid of dry skin, it gets rid of flaky skin, it prevents itchiness. If your skin is always itchy, or it suits irritated skin. It's for all skin types. Oat powder will help to nourish your skin, make your skin supple, like keeping your skin looking plump like that of a baby. If you have loose skin, it will help to firm it, gradually, but it works. So these natural ingredients works, but you have to be patient, of course. Even if you are using skincare products like facial cream, facial soap, body soap and the rest, you need to use all this. This is a foundation, using it to take care of your skin first before any other thing can be. You need to take care of the foundation first before other ones. So I have skincare products. If you have not reached out, just check them out. I have for different skin complexion, different skin types. If you are light skin, if you are fair, if you are dark, if you are chocolate, I have for different skin complexions and type. Whether you have sensitive skin, the ingredients are safe, natural, no side effects in my products. See the WhatsApp, contact it for the products. All right, so the measurements now. I will tell you when to apply this, do not worry. So the measurements, I added 1 tablespoon of oat powder, then I added half tablespoon of sugar, then I added half tablespoon of coffee. So it's time to mix together. I made use of rose water for mixing, okay? But if you don't have rose water, you can make use of ordinary water. Just mix gradually, so that this treatment will not be watery. So go on and apply it on your neck, all over your body. If you want to apply all over your body, just do so and scrub, and that is it. So this is a facial mask, or you can call it a scrub as well. If you want to form it a scrub, just increase the quantity of sugar. I didn't tell you that this can get rid of puffy eyes and also dark under eye circle thanks to the coffee. So just apply this treatment, leave it on for the right time, about 10-15 minutes, 20 minutes. I leave it on longer, but for now I'm rushing out, I'm going out, so I will just leave it on for 10-15 minutes. When it gets dry, I'll wash it out. So I'll just wait for some time. I'll be right back. So I'm back after rinsing it out. You can spot the difference, right? Instantly you will notice that your skin will glow, your skin will look more beautiful naturally. So if you are the type that depends on makeup all the time, you're always putting on makeup, you can use this treatment to revive your skin. But not only once, this with consistency. As you make use of it, you notice that your skin is reviving, getting in shape, looking better and better. Like some people, they use different skin. Some people, they use wrong products on their skin that is full of steroids, full of chemicals, end up spoiling their facial skin, spoiling their facial look and texture. So if you use ingredients like the one I have in my products, natural, your skin will just be nourishing. It will nourish your skin instead of spoiling your skin. There are so many wrong products out there that end up sagging the skin instead of reviving the skin, instead of making the skin to look supple. So contact if you want natural way to take care of your skin. Of course, after making use of this, you will surely apply skincare products because you need to moisturize your skin. You need to glow. This is a foundation, like I said earlier, like repairing your skin. So after making use of this, just pat dry. Then if you have dry skin, go on and apply Vaseline, mostly before you go to bed. This will help to plump and revive your skin back, lock in moisture into the skin and prevent looseness, dryness and all that. Vaseline is one ingredient that I love so much. It's not comedogenic, meaning that it will not clog your pores. If you apply it just a little amount, it goes a long way. I have oily skin, so yeah, I don't usually use Vaseline, but I'm just showing you for those that have, oily skin. All right, so a little goes a long way. Just apply it on your skin. I have different videos talking about Vaseline, but for some time now, for a very long time, I've not been talking about Vaseline Vaseline. Yeah, I have an oily skin which I'm managing, like preventing so much greasiness, and the ingredients are helping a lot. So look at my skin after applying the Vaseline. You can see it is glowing, and it's better after exfoliating your skin before applying Vaseline, so that you will not be applying Vaseline on a face that is not treated. See my skin looking so beautiful with no makeup. So apply it like this. Do not rinse it out, okay? Just go to bed and you see your skin looking more beautiful, and you see your skin reviving and looking very natural. So anytime you are making use of Vaseline on your face, you don't need to apply your night cream or your facial cream, okay? Only Vaseline is okay. So for those, some people complain that it darkens them. Please try to get original Vaseline. It will not darken you and it will not lighten you. So go on and take care of your skin now before it's too late. Use this treatment 3 times weekly or every day if you have the chance, preferably at night, when you have the chance. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.